Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and this quick video I'm going to be going over Livegood. Well, it's going to be more of a quick update. So, um, it is growing by the day, by literally by the minute. I have about 25 pre-enrollees right now, and one member. I actually got one member upgraded here, so he'll fall under my matrix tomorrow at midnight. All right, and then if you go down here, the next cutoff date is tomorrow um, at at midnight, as I mentioned. And as you can see, the recent enrollees here, it's literally by the second. So this thing continues to grow and grow and grow. And I'm gonna show you a couple other things real quick. Go to my let me see here. Not that. We're gonna go to the power line view also. And the power line is not a representation of my matrix. It's pretty much a representation of the whole company that joined after me. Okay, so these are people who joined after me and upgraded. Okay, so these are all the people down here, and this goes on for a couple of pages. So as people begin to upgrade, and the members who are already upgraded, they'll fall under different matrices. Mine's, yours, whoever's already in the system and upgraded, they'll fall under that matrix. Okay. Now the good thing also about this is if you are not able to refer, um, people are not good at referring. You can earn without referring anyone, but that is going to take a little time. So I do advise you to promote this as well too to um, whoever you may know, or create. You could even create a YouTube channel as well too. And there are um, 6 different ways you could earn. You could earn from the weekly fast start commissions. Okay. And as you can see here, the charts, the unranked members, 50% across the board for level 1. And as you go deeper, it goes all the way down 10 levels deep. Okay. And then the matrix commissions. So you're going to earn on everybody that falls under you in your matrix. Okay. And this does go up to over $16,000 a month. Now, I do recommend, like I said, inviting at least 2 people and upgrade to a bronze, so that way you could earn a matching bonus on whatever they make, okay, inside the matrix. So it does get very lucrative once that happens. And then you have the matching bonus as well too for that one. On top of the, like, this is what I mentioned before, on top of the $2,000 to $16,000 you can earn in your personal matrix. So it's the same thing I went over. So it goes all the way up 5 levels deep, the 5th generation, and personally enrolled is going to be 50% on your first generation, and then silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. It goes down to 3% for diamond. Okay, all right, and then retail commissions. That's if you refer anyone to the actual products and they buy them, you'll get commissions on that too, and that's 50% of the difference between the member price and the retail price. All right. And then you have your influencer bonus for affiliates who choose to market products to retail customers on a larger scale. You will earn additional bonuses on that volume. In fact, you will earn up to 100% of the difference between the member price and retail price on all orders by your referred retail customers. Okay. And this is the chart here. So top retail sale per month, it says $2,500 additional commissions, 10%, and then total commissions on personal customers up to 60%. And this is the chart here. And then on the sixth way is the diamond bonus pool. So if you reach the rank of diamond, you get a 2% split between all qualified diamond ranked members. 2% of the total sales of the membership and product sales gets divided evenly between all qualified diamond ranked affiliate and paid out with monthly commissions. Okay, so if you are interested and ready to join my team, go ahead and click on the link below to secure your free position. Have a good one, guys.